Friends, let me tell you today something about stomach ulcers with the help of a video. So what are stomach ulcers, which are also called gastric ulcers? These are open sores in the inner lining of the stomach due to disruption of the protective mucosal layer, which happens due to excess acid secretion. Now coming to the types of the stomach ulcer, these may be the gastric ulcer, which develops in the lining of the stomach, or the duodenal ulcer, which develops in the upper part of the small intestine or the duodenum. And also there is another type of ulcer called the stress ulcers, which happens or develops in the stomach, which causes excessive bleeding, and this happens due to tremendous psychological stress, which can happen post trauma or after an injury. So now please see the following video.
Heard the news, endoscopy is a game changer in diagnosing gastric ulcers. But what exactly happens? Endoscopy is a procedure where doctors use a thin, flexible tube called an endoscope. This tube has a tiny camera on its tip. It goes through your mouth, down your esophagus, and into your stomach. Once inside, the camera sends live images to a screen. Doctors can see any signs of ulcers, like red or swollen areas. They can even take small tissue samples for testing, all in real time. The best part? You're usually sedated, so you won't feel a thing. Endoscopy helps doctors diagnose and treat gastric ulcers quickly and accurately. So next time you hear about endoscopy, you'll know how this incredible tool works. Stay curious and keep learning.
After endoscopy, the patient is kept in the observation room, and if ulcers are found, tissue biopsy is taken from that site and we start the treatment accordingly. So number one comes the PPI, or the proton pump inhibitors, example the pantoprazole and the omeprazole tablets. Number two are the antibiotic tablets if the H. pylori infection is positive. We start a regime of 14 days, which includes 3 drugs, that is the triple drug regime of PPI plus the amoxicillin tablets and the clarithromycin tablets. Thank you friends. Stay tuned for more videos, and like, share and subscribe my video.